In my conversations with many managers and entrepreneurs and people across all sectors, when I ask them what is it that they want professionally, the general reply I get is one word: success. Upon probing further, when I ask them what exactly does the word success mean to you, I get answers such as name, money, fame, freedom, satisfaction. However, here is the little problem. After asking them what these things mean to them, no one has so far been able to give me a very exact definition of what success means to them. Hello everyone, I'm Mansi Agarwal, corporate trainer and international speaker, and in today's video I'm going to tell you how you can understand what success means to you, and I'm going to help you try and achieve it. So, what is success? In spite of all my studies and all my thoughts and all my research, I haven't been able to come up with an exact formula. However, I've got two deep understandings about the meaning of the word success. Number one, success is different and the meaning of success is different from one person to the other. One of my closest friends, he knows that he'll be successful the day he manages to buy a Ferrari. For my grandfather, philanthropy was a big sign of success. For my husband, it is the fact that he's doing work that he loves to do. For somebody else, it may be something else. What is important is that your definition of success may not be the same as my definition, and it's absolutely okay to understand and to respect that. To me, success means something very different from all the ones that I've mentioned so far. The second thing I understand about success is that the meaning of success for an individual does not stay the same over time. The meaning of success for me changes as time goes along. You see, as we grow, our goals grow, our meaning of success changes. 10 years ago, earning an X amount of money was success for me. Today, earning 6 times of X is also possibly not success for me. 10 years ago, maybe working with somebody was success for you. Today, working with that person's mentor also may not be success for you. You may already be doing that. So it's important to understand that success is not the same for each one of us. And secondly, the meaning of success changes as we grow in our lives. In this series on communication and success, I am going to give a lot of tips of how you can be successful in whatever you want to be successful in. But let's start by understanding the word success a bit better. Let's start with an oversimplification. Suppose I wanted to go to Paris and I called up my travel agent and I said, "Hello, I want to go to somewhere." And they said, "Okay, when do you want to go?" "Sometime." Would I really be booking my tickets? Absolutely not. When we want something from somebody, we give them specifications. If I want to book a ticket to Paris, I'll say, "I want to go to Paris. I need one ticket on Qatar Airways for the 11th of May 2021. What I'm really doing is I am placing a very specific order to somebody else, and that way the order gets delivered. Just like that. When you want something from the universe, when you want something from society, when you want something from your profession, place a very succinct and clear order. Be sure about what you're wishing for, because that really is the first step to getting there. So I request each one of you, urge each one of you. It might sound really simple, but this is a fun activity and enjoy it as you do it. Close your eyes for a while and think about it like this. 5 years later, what do you think will mean success to you? What is the one goal that you really want to achieve within 5 years? What would success look like to you? Visualize it, feel it, imagine the small details, and that is going to be your first step to actually getting there, knowing what you want. So, for today, I'm just going to say that much, but next week I'm going to come back with how exactly we should be setting our goals so that we set ourselves up for success.